Hi and hello, this is Vinod Care from TryHarder YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Twinight. This is one of the machine from Vulnhub. Capture the flag. So let's go through in. So I have done first of all nmap, banner grabbing, go buster, finding the file upload vulnerability, getting the reversal, and privilege escalation. Apologies for the misspelling of escalation and getting the flag, housekeeping, and mitigation for this vulnerability. So this is the new one. I have introduced the vulnerability mitigation in these upcoming videos. So first I have put the normal nmap scan. Here we have find out SSH, SMTP, HTTP, and NetBIOS SSN, Microsoft DS, CC proxy hyphen FTP. So this FTP is customized from the port of 21 to 2121 and MySQL HTTP proxy. We can go through a deeper of nmap scan using script purpose. Okay, I get the more detail about this scanning, but in FTP I get the username like anonymous is allowed. Mm, so also I get the version of the services which was run in the port. So this is for SMB. So I have go through the port 80. Here the banner says like welcome to the gallery database. Here multiple picture will be stored within the database. Okay, check the current pic. If I click the current pic, there is some SQL error. The ID is equal to some error has been displayed. I think some SQL injection has been applicable. And change the language. The page is not loaded. I have moved to GoBuster, finding the directory in the web application. I have found out three directories like gallery, JavaScript, server status. In gallery, I have the status of 301, so it is accessible. I have moved to the FTP. I have earlier I have said that I get the username like anonymous and password is allowed, like any password is allowed. Uh, in this FTP, I didn't find out any interesting things. I have quit the FTP. Yeah, I have moved to the browser, so I get one file like some numbers and twinkling. It's the size is 1 KB. If you go to deeper, some of the special characters and SG, some I think this is one of the key is found in the web page of FTP. I have enumerated port 8080. There is one login form for um, file sharing. I didn't get the username and passwords. I have moved to file upload vulnerability in the port 80. Earlier we have do the Darbuster. I get the gallery as one of the directory. I put the gallery in the URL. So one pop-up has been displayed like file upload option. First I have uploaded one JPEG and capture the traffic using the burp suite. So if you directly upload any PHP file, it will not acceptable. So I have tried that. So that's why first we want to upload one image file, and also in this portal JPEG file extension only allowed. So I have captured this traffic using burp suite and sent to the repeater. I have edited the PNG not header files, body content. Instead of body content of JPEG, I have added the PHP file. This file is taken from Pentest Monkey, a reverse shell connection. So once I have modified my IP and local port, click the send option. I get the successful connection like 200, and the below path is given. I mean, file storing path is given. I have moved to the gallery and moved to one more directory like original. There is some two files there. First I have uploaded one.jpg, it's a sample file, and second one is shell.php. In parallel, I have put the reverse connection using netcat in the port of 1234. Once I click the shell.php, I get the reverse shell. I have entered the command who am I. It says like shows like normal data. I have checked the Python for establishing a secure shell. So Python is available. So I have entered the command, and my shell is visible. So I have moved to privilege escalation Unix privsec from Pentest Monkey. I think I have done this, but this function is not worked. So I have moved to some other privilege escalation like linpiece. I have took this code in the GitHub repository. I have uploaded this file in our victim machine using Python HTTP server. So once it was uploaded, I have give the permission of 600 and execute the bash file. So once it is executed, it will be give the possibilities of weakness in the operating system. So I get some more interesting things. So here user being is available for network discovery. So this is one of the interesting. And one more thing, etc password also visible. So one of the shadow file is opened. I have took this shadow file uh, and I have checked in the John. There is nothing found, and also have moved to crack station in the online hash cracker. There is also nothing found. So I have do some googling and get, okay, if the password is visible, then we can easy to replace our password. So I have done some changes in the my password value. After I have added the root bin bash. So once it is modified, I have uploaded again to our server. So once it is uploaded, I have copied, I mean, one sec. Okay, the file is uploaded in our victim machine in the temp directory. So once it is available in the temp directory, we can copy the passwords and replace to original password which was in the victim machine. So copy user.hash to etc directory and the file password. So once it is replaced, I have done the root username root and password as root. So finally I have compromised the, I mean, machine, and also get the root user access. So I have searched the flag, and I have found out the flag in the machine in the root directory. So finally housekeeping. So once you have tested the machine, you want to clean up the exploit everything, so it's a good practice of your development. So I have moved to var www html gallery and original in this directory. I have earlier uploaded the shell.php, so I have removed that shell.php. So this is the POC, and also I have checked in the web server, the file has been deleted. So for mitigation, we want to sanitize the user input like file extension. We want to check the validation of file extension and file validation, whether it is PHP or PNG. And third one is file header validation. So each and every file we have the file headers. If it is a JPEG, we have the JPEG header. If it is PNG, we have the PNG header. If it is a PHP, we get the file type is PHP. Okay, then the file content validations. Okay, file content. Okay, if the attacker will bypass the header validation and didn't change the content validation, so we want to set the content validation. And one more thing finally, so if there is any unwanted port or unused port is available in the server, you can please close the both the ports. So it is very helpful for, I mean, it's very secure to your web application and your server, and it will not spoil your reputation. Thanks for watching. If you would like to support me in the form of, and please provide in the form of like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to put your comments. I will accept your feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.